Hi guys, it's your boy Man. Today we're doing an unboxing. So yeah, if you haven't seen the series, this is what So yeah, if it's better for me not, it's better for us to open the box to see what we get. There's, you can open it from the bottom, or if you don't want to open it from the bottom, you need to open it from the sides. Either way, I'm just showing you guys how to open. So now, since we have the box open, this what we have right here. So let's take one back. This is what we do for this. So you might put it to your side if you want. If you want to put it away, it's your tool. So you guys, I'm just doing this just for the sake of me a video. If you don't want to see me do this, oh well. This is also being an update. I'll be also doing another gameplay video tonight. Since there's no times off, you that. His name is Tozy. Yeah, mat, a play mat, a bit of robot. Also, I would ask about Goya. The main thing you all want to see itself is a debt. Before we get into this, there's some other tasks I won't. Give me a moment, guys. I'm just trying to find some cards. Also, in this same video, guys, I'm going to be showing you how you order your debt. If you have enough time to order it. Since we have enough to order ours, we are ordering it. Let me just find some more. That's pretty good, guys. If you don't want the review, it's more vanguard stuff right here.
Did you bring Fred's washing and that down? What?
So, this is taking a bit of delay, guys. Some of this stuff done earlier. I'm very sorry. This video is, I'm just winning it. Guys, I'm winning a video. I'm winning it today of a video. If you know what winning means, is I'm just making it where I'm on the go. anytime you don't see her, because I know what they are. So guys, I'm gonna down all my winter ties, and I'll show you what to do when you get enough ties to. I'll do it. Well guys, that's all for ties. We have beef. Now you guys see how even a single type wide tie got. I have two toys here. You may use. I have one toppy of you. You may use. And I have one toppy died. There's probably many more in here. Who knows? Keep one of these on standby. I have two toppies. Who knows? So you might need one of these. I have told him. Who knows? You may need him at some point. I have one toy of each, so you know when you may need one day feet or another, or even both. Who knows? You may need one sometimes. And that's also for one. This card, who knows? You may want to need him. So yeah, I will show you how to alter your deck on those. I just this must come off. Like that, see guys. I'll put this to the side. See guys, this is some of the back if you need. Put that to the side with the rest of those bits. Now, as I said before, I made a few payment. This is a brand new one. This may take some time to apologize. If you want to damage it, if you want to, be careful if I'm being damn it. Alright guys, here's the final mat. And here's the back of the mat. If you want to see some of this, that's for yourself. Now, as a rule book, first time you order one of these with every time I'm going through, I'll explain it is I'm going through this. If you want, and even at some point, even show you how to play a bit of vanguard. But I'll play romance in the so yeah. See me now for that yeah. Now, for main point when you be what you want, her deck itself. Now, let's go through these cards nice and easy. So you get two of the same but hollow. Very nice. You trust me? Alright, then you get two and 2 donation stars. Be handy when you may need them. So if you need them, you know when. These, always when these real ones. Now, $2 for debt. Dies. 1 hollow and 1 not so hollow. So yeah, it's been a many want some of these if you want. So yeah. Let's go through that even further, guys. None of them are hollow. So yeah, you might need these in that. So yeah, I'll use just as your full, as well as I some of these in there as well. So basically, let's see on 4 of these, but none of them are hollow either. You might even need some of these. So still there, I'll show you how to make the deck. So, and this one is 2 of these. Not bad, but there's none of them hot. I might use it. Now, you have 3 tubbies. Be handy if you need them. Right then, I'll show you how to do that. 2. If they roll, who knows, you might need these. Now, on to these ones. You have 4 of him. This is Destiny Dealer. Your 4 Destiny Dealer is nice. So, when we go on. You might need him in somewhere. I'll even show you further you some of these as. Now, for the thing you'll be waiting for, the most important thing of a debt. Let's repeat, darts. You roll them these, you're doomed it. From the very start to the very end, you'll finish. Best have some in your debt. Now, yeah, 2 jobs of him. Andy, what do you mean? Now we are down to the bottom bit. Let's see what a horse, we always must start with zeros. Her 4-1. Be handy when you might need one. You know, when you always need one in your debt. Or choose all women and do one for you guys if you want. Now, this one before tears, just like I said before, in some past videos, just store this turtle, store, heal, and standard. These are turtles. You might need these to do some more damage. Who knows when you might need to do some more damage? So yeah, these types are handy. What I said before, these bad boys are good, but these are torches. Yeah, this is only if you add some more power than you get, you can do this with these sizes. You own 4. If you want more of these, tired pack will has more of these. If you want 8, they're 2 passes debt. That will give you more targets. Nurse is a heal to this. I want to allow you recover some damage. If 1 damage per turn, if you have 2 of these, 2 damage. Oh nice, you might need them later on. So yeah. You may need 4